how to use Monday.com Template Center. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use the Template Center on Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do for that is you need to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. And in order to access the Template Center, you need to do one thing. For that, just follow this video, and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. Now, let me tell you something amazing, that the beauty of Monday.com is that it amazingly made a custom based template for you that you can use in any of your boards. Now, in order to access the template, you need to click here on more and then go to Template Center. Here you can find all the relevant templates that you need. For example, customer project template and marketing project management, social media planner. There are many templates that you can use, and you can further see these are the niches of the template that you can use. For example, AI powered templates are here that you can use, marketing templates that you can use, content production templates that you can use here, and project management template related to documents that you can use. So you can see there's a variety of niches that you can select the template upon. For example, if you are an education based or a real estate agency, you can click on real estate and you can see you'll get templates of real estate agency management and real estate CRM. If you're a venture capitalist, then you have customer request and high level marketing budget as well. So if you are in any field, that does not matter, Monday.com would provide you endless of options of templates that you can use. If you are a freelancer, you can use templates from here. So that's the beauty of Monday.com, that it can provide you so many templates that you can use, and you'll be good to go. And one more thing, that you can also create templates. If you want to create template, Monday.com gives a video here that you can watch and create your own template. If one of your team members created a template, then it will also be here, and templates that will be recommended for you based on your work here on Monday.com. Monday.com is also going to recommend you some templates out of its own. Now, for example, if you want to save one of your board as templates, for example, this is my board and I'm working on it. Now I need to save it as template. What do I need to do? I need to click here and then go to settings, and here, let's see where we can save our template. Okay, so we can't save it because I've already used it as a template myself. So I use a template to make it, but let's go and create our own board, new board, and let's include this. Okay, and let's add more things to it. Now, here you go. We can save this as our own template. And if we click on it, you can see that it will give us two options. We can click next, and we can name our template as well. And then we can click on create template, and this will be saved as our own template, which we can access from where I just showed you in the beginning. From let's see from where we can access it from here. So from here, the save template will be here. So you'll be able to access it from here. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.